Today I want to show how I wired up my Ford Contour fans. I didn't want to buy an expensive controller like a Dakota controller or anything like that. It just seemed like there was a cheaper way to do it that could still maybe not be as good as a digital controller, but it should work good enough. The way I've got it wired up is using a couple relays and a couple switches. Two of the switches are my water pump housing, and they're just ground switches, so each one will kick on at a certain temperature and kick off at a certain temperature. And so the way I've got it wired up, I'm still using the factory resistor, and if I hook up my low side, kicks on just fine. And then when my high side comes on, and so that's all going to be just controlled by those two switches and those two relays. I don't really know the exact amount of money I have in them, but I mean there's hardly anything in it at all, so I don't know, maybe $40 total with the relays and everything. So not a bad setup, but I think it'll work pretty good.